So there are a few main ways to tie the ends of your ropes and create these handles or grips. The most popular one we've discussed when we talk about adjusting the length of your rope is the knotted rope. So what you see over here is the stopper knot, and this is with two knots or two loops in it. Typically, you see it with 2 to 3 loops. That's the most common knot. The other thing that you will often see with a rope is a heat sealed end, or they put a cap on it. So you can use a metal cap, heat seal, or even tape as well. Let me dig up one of the tape ones. This is what a taped end looks like. So this here is just simple Gorilla tape or like duct tape. You can use that. You can use electrical tape. You can use kinesiology tape as well, and that just really helps prevent the fibers from fraying. So you have your heat seal, your tape. Heat seal is another option for much thicker ropes, where you get like a type of heat seal handle as in the ones that you see with those battle ropes that you use in the gym. So those are really thick rubber handles. And then the third one that you may see is what they call a whip end. And that's also more common with the thicker ropes because you can't tie a knot at the end. So what does rope whipping mean? Basically, you take a smaller rope, usually it's much smaller than this, and they thread the rope through the main rope, and then they loop it around multiple times. So the end result, this is not going to be what exactly it looks like, but basically you get a grip kind of like this using another rope around your main rope. So if you want to check that out and see how it looks like, you can look up some of the heavy ropes, and slush rope has some of those, or winding ropes, and that's what a whipped end looks like. But the most common one that you will generally see is the knotted end, like this one.